Got the hiccups? Don't worry, I've got a tropical trick that might just save the day. Pineapple juice. That's right, pineapple juice is more than just a taste drink. It's a secret weapon against stubborn hiccups. Anyways, here's how it works. Pineapple juice is packed with an enzyme called bromelain, which helps relax the muscles in your diaphragm, or however that thing is called. Basically, these are the same muscles that cause those annoying hiccups. So, if you're battling the hiccups, try sipping some pineapple juice. It might just do the trick. Who knew that pineapple juice could be a superhero, right? Anyways, after learning this fact, I went to my friend Abdullah, who was suffering from hiccups, and told him, Yo, Abdullah,